This is a guide on replacing an LCD screen on the HP ProBook 450 G5. To begin, shut down the laptop by pressing and holding the power button, then disconnect the power cord. Now we can free up the bezel. Gently pull the inner edge of the bezel off the glass. Once the edge is unsnapped, go around the perimeter and snapping the tabs underneath. Leave the bottom side of the bezel attached to the laptop. Using a screwdriver, remove 4 Phillips screws holding the LCD panel, 2 screws on the top, and 2 more screws at the bottom. Tilt the LCD forward with the bezel towards the keyboard to get access to the video connector. Peel off the clear tape securing the video connector, open the connector's bracket, and gently disconnect the video cable. Discard the old panel. To reassemble, repeat the steps in the reverse order or click on the suggested link to watch the reassembly video.